In this video, I'll be teaching you how to animate, run cycles. So what is a run cycle? A run cycle is basically a walk cycle but on steroids. It's faster, bolder, and looks cooler. It's an animation loop that simulates a character running. It's less of a casual stroll, more of a kind of thing. The difference is mainly in speed, spacing, and body mechanics. Your character covers more ground in fewer frames and everything feels more exaggerated. There are 4 main poses you need to learn for a standard run cycle: the contact pose, down pose, passing pose, and the up pose. Yeah, they're basically the same thing with a walk cycle but with different poses. Alright, let's try animating a run cycle. So we open up the FlipaClip app, tap the plus sign to open up a new project, we name it, choose the canvas size, and create. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the guideline for the ground where the character is going to be running on. Then we draw the character in a contact pose. In this pose, the front legs make contact with the ground while the back leg stretches out like a rubber band. After drawing the body and legs, we draw the hands in this position. Please keep in mind that the arms swing opposite to the legs. Right leg forward, left arm forward, and vice versa. In this pose, we see the character's weight acting on just one leg, making his knees bend and hips slower. The arms in this pose kind of like retract. The arm at the back moves forward while the one in the front moves backward. In this pose, the legs pass each other and the body moves up slightly. This is before you see that nice mid-air floating moment, by the way. This pose is like your spring, or should I say push, into mid-air. There will be 2 of these up poses, by the way. This one, which is the initial lift, and one of them in mid-air, i.e. no feet on the ground. Then I join some arms and copy paste the frames while changing the position of the arms and legs to produce a looping running cycle. The video should be just about done now, right? But you probably saw Naruto on the thumbnail. If I didn't show you how to animate a Naruto run cycle, wouldn't that just make it clickbait? Alright, let's animate a Naruto run cycle. So for this, I decided to use a stick figure to make animating this more easy and faster. I drew the contact pose, down pose, passing pose, and the up pose. After getting the structure of the animation, I had to add the character Naruto himself. So I lowered the opacity of the stick figure animation and started drawing Naruto on top of it to match the movement and truly give us the sequence of Naruto running. I'll leave you this short time-lapse video. Alright, that's it for this video. See you in the next, and bye. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe, and join our Discord server if you want to be part of the community. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.